All right. Welcome back to Young Scott Traders Hub. Yes, we are live here on YouTube where we analyze BTC. Of course, not forgetting we also analyze synthetic indices. But on a day like this, Tuesday, we always have our BTC analysis, and of course, even on Friday, uh, when we are concluding the week. That's how we do it here every week. So Monday to Friday, we have synthetic indices analysis from 10:30 a.m. East African time to 11:30 a.m. And then on Tuesday and Fridays, we will meet here to analyze BTC from 1 p.m. East African time to 1:30 p.m. All right, so let's get into it. The last time we checked BTC, the last time we were here, it was last year, 2024. So it is a new year. Happy New Year, guys. Those who are not part of the synthetics. So happy New Year. We are now back to business here here on our charts of BTC. So of course we made money. On that level, on that one. This one was a big trade here. So we've been making money on BTC. This was another trade that we took recently. So yeah, we've been making money. So we want to understand where do we lie today. So let's start from where it all started from. We first try to delete this now. This is okay. This has already served the purpose. Come to page 4. Delete all this. Right. Delete. So yeah, that one there's an upward trend line like that to give us that kind of rising wedge. Yeah, that one we saw it. So we can delete these. Still something I'm seeing right here. Like that. Price came back to this level just like how we anticipated. So I can delete this. This was the level we anticipated to come back to it, push back, and then come back stronger again for the sell. So the anticipation was here, but it never happened like how we wanted. Yeah, now we are coming from all the way there. We will be anticipating that. Remember, this is some kind of strong support now. Let's get it into H4. Let's get it in H4. We see how it is. Yeah. That one there. That's a level there. So at first we wanted price to come to it. Yeah, it came to it, bounced off, went back there, again came back, again went back, like that until it went to do what we wanted according to daily time frame. So according to daily, this was the valid retracement that we were looking for. So from there, we may anticipate, let's understand on weekly time frame. We still have all these. You can delete that now. Now according to daily, now it has given us something that we can use. I hope it is conclusive there. If it is conclusive, that candle hasn't closed, so it's not it's not yet confirmed that that is a high there, but we will use it for now, just to be ready for whatever happens. But we will use it for now and have it as a resistance trend line there. And going to H4, we clearly see that price has reached overbought. Price has reached overbought. I don't know, something's not here. Things I normally use. Customize. First customize this. I don't need. I need that. Text can go down. Yeah, close. So I need this. So according to what I see, price has come back to this order block right there on H4, which means it is trying to, it has failed to create a new high, and that's why we are trying to confirm this to be our resistance trend line up there. So if it is a confirmed resistance trend line, then we will be, of course, we will be looking at sales starting. But now I'm seeing this candle is going ahead into sales. We want to look it a bit closer. We want to look at it a bit closer. All right, H1 is still complicated. We have low momentum there. Few traders are in the market, so everyone is skeptical to enter buys and even sells. So that means we will be seeing some bit of consolidation. Yeah, M15, M30 suggests such. This was a fake breakout. Yeah, and now one may see something like this, I believe. So we have to wait. We have to wait and see if this will be the case. So for now, I will have to wait for this candle to close, this H1 candle to close. If it closes, then we'll understand what is going on. If it fails, then we will only leave it where it is currently, where for which this is the level. And if it closes like this, if this is the case right here, this is a pennant, and if that becomes a pennant, it means we may see some bit of more buys. This kind of move will be anticipated on the other side to take us where? Back to which price? The price level. Okay. Don't have it. Insert objects. I need something. Need the right price. Yes, to come back to 10,000. To 105,360, to that very price. Yeah, price will be getting back to there. If that ends up being a confirmed pennant, yeah, if this ends up being a confirmed pennant, we'll be looking at price going to all the way that level. So for now, I can wait until this level is confirmed. This candle closes. If it closes, then we may change price to be like that, and still it will be the same thing. Of course, it will be the same thing. But if we don't have enough momentum to break through there, to break through the H4 support, resistance level right there, then we'll be coming in again for the sales. That's how, just like how we are anticipating on the daily time frame and on H4. So we just have to wait. You just have to wait. You can see price is still above our 10 MA, which is still a strong signal for buys to continue. So that's why this move may end up being valid to bring us back to this OB right there, according to H4. In fact, I would even look for H1 kind of OB. Maintain H4. All right, so that's it for this kind of asset. Those who love scalping it, we can get a scalp. Let's see, in M15. Not really. It's still showing sell momentum. So it's still showing sell momentum. So if it is showing sell momentum on M15, it is showing sell momentum on M15. Price is below our 10 MA. Price is below our 10 MA on M5. M1 is showing us momentum to reverse and go to buy trend. So if it breaks that, then you know that you have a scalp trade to take you right about there. Yes, just about there. I think so. Yeah, just about this trend line right there. So on the M1, you'll be looking at it, taking it all the way. On the M15, yes, yeah, either on that fair value gap on M15 or a liquidity grab all the way to this OB, this order block. Yeah, so we need to understand this, because BTC is one asset I know to grabbing liquidity. It makes like a spike, grabs liquidity. In the next hour, it goes all the way full swing into buys. That's BTC. So we need to be careful when we are trading this very asset. We need to be very, very careful. So now I think I can delete this. It's not. I can bring it a bit closer right there. Yeah. So now that's what we have on the ground. I don't know if you guys are trading it, but that's what I may say about BTC. It is one thing to trade it like any other asset, but if you don't have patience and be smart in how you execute your trades, it can wipe your account in a short while. So you need to be very, very careful. You can even go to as low as 1 minute time frame or 5 minute time frame, so that you'll be able to get a good kind of entry to make money on BTC. Those with big accounts, of course, we know it is very clear. You can even enter on H4 and just keep holding your positions. All right, so we have two scenarios, but the most that I'm seeing is, according to what I've seen here, if this ends up being what it is, then we'll be looking at price coming to this level. In fact, to this very level right there. So if we have it right there, that's when we can start to anticipate sales. That's when we can start to anticipate sales. But if this holds up, if this support holds up lot, then this is BTC, anything is possible. Then you can still see something like this. You need to be ready for whatever the market gives you, be ready to follow it up. You don't stick to what you have analyzed previously. You need to always update your analysis to match the current data in the market. All right, I think that's it. If you guys have a question, those who are online, I see 3 people, I believe. Yeah, if you guys have a question, please go ahead and ask. I'll be able to respond. If you have an addition to this analysis, please go ahead. I hope my mic is clear, not like how it was in the morning session. I've been working on it. I hope it is now clear. So how are you, Felix? If you guys don't have a question or something to add on to this analysis, allow me to call it a day and wait for another session of BTC on Friday. But of course, we will be back here tomorrow for the synthetic index analysis. So we'll be back here tomorrow at 10:30 East African time, 10:30 a.m. East African time, to do the analysis of synthetic indices. Our broker, the broker that we use, is Deriv. Assets are all, you can have all these assets, all these pairs, all these trading assets in one account with Deriv. So you don't have to have Forex kind of account and then synthetics kind of account, then a crypto one. No. With Deriv, you can have one account and be able to trade everything in the same account. So if you want an account, you can go ahead and use that link in the description and be able to create for yourself an account. The mentorship class is ongoing. Those who want to analyze like me and trade like me, you can register with us. The Jan classes have just started yesterday, so you still have time. You can register. The fees is only $110 for those that are outside Uganda. For those who are in Uganda, it's only 400,000 for a whole month, 4 sessions per day, per week. Yeah, that's it. Otherwise, let me wish you guys a good day. See you tomorrow for the synthetic indices for BTC. See you on Friday. Happy trading. Have a lovely day.